Hey there, welcome to Archive Daily. I'll be guiding you through today's lecture on detailed explanation of the key topics covered, which primarily revolve around sanitation systems, waste management, and plumbing services. Here's a breakdown. 1. Overview of sanitation. Sanitation refers to the hygienic processes of waste management, crucial for maintaining public health and minimizing environmental pollution. Effective sanitation involves the safe disposal of human waste, wastewater, and refuse to prevent the transmission of diseases and maintain a clean environment. Several technologies and methods have been developed for both urban and rural settings, each with its own advantages and limitations. Objectives of sanitation systems. Improved public health by reducing the risk of waterborne and sanitation-related diseases. Minimization of environmental pollution through proper waste management. Promotion of hygienic conditions in densely populated and rural areas. 2. Types of sanitation systems. Sanitation systems are categorized based on how waste is treated and disposed of. On-site systems. Waste is collected, treated, and disposed of at the source of generation, commonly used in rural areas. Examples include pit latrines and septic tanks. These systems are beneficial in areas with low population density. Off-site systems. Waste is collected and transported to a distant location for treatment and disposal. Conventional sewerage systems are a primary example, typically used in urban settings. 3. Pit latrines and their variations. Pit latrines are among the simplest forms of sanitation, especially in low-cost settings. There are several types of pit latrines, including simple pit latrines. A basic form, often just a hole in the ground covered with a squatting slab, waste is decomposed directly in the pit. Ventilated improved pit latrines. These have added features like ventilation pipes to reduce odors and keep flies away. Offset pit latrines. Waste is channeled from the latrine to a pit located away from the structure. The main advantage of pit latrines is their low cost, simple design, and ease of construction. However, they are often unsuitable for densely populated areas with high water tables, or places prone to flooding. Additionally, emptying the pits poses challenges, particularly in urban areas. 4. Sanitation in urban and rural settings. In rural areas with sparse populations and low water consumption, on-site systems like pit latrines or septic tanks work effectively. However, in high-density urban areas, more sophisticated off-site systems are required, such as sewerage networks that transport waste to treatment facilities. These systems ensure that waste is handled safely and disposed of without contaminating water sources or the environment. 5. Environmental impact. Sanitation is a major factor in environmental protection. Improper disposal of human waste can lead to contamination of groundwater and surface water, leading to the spread of diseases. Systems like pit latrines need to be carefully managed to avoid groundwater contamination. For example, pits should be located at least 10 meters away from drinking water sources and at least 2 meters above the groundwater table to prevent seepage. 6. Low-cost sanitation technologies. Low-cost sanitation technologies are essential for areas with limited financial resources. Systems like simple pit latrines and pour flush latrines are widely used in developing countries due to their low construction and maintenance costs. However, these systems need proper management, including regular emptying and maintenance to prevent health hazards. 7. Wastewater treatment and disposal. Wastewater treatment is a critical component of sanitation. The aim is to treat wastewater to a level where it can be safely returned to the environment. This includes primary treatment, removal of large solids from wastewater. Secondary treatment, biological processes to remove organic matter. Tertiary treatment, advanced processes to remove nutrients and other pollutants. Proper wastewater treatment prevents pollution of water bodies and helps protect public health. It also plays a key role in preventing the transmission of waterborne diseases like cholera and dysentery. 8. Challenges in sanitation. Several challenges hinder the effective implementation of sanitation systems. Urbanization. Rapid urban growth makes it difficult to extend proper sanitation services to all areas. Resource constraints. Many regions, especially in developing countries, lack the resources needed to build and maintain sophisticated sanitation infrastructure. Cultural and social barriers. In some communities, there may be resistance to certain sanitation technologies due to cultural or social beliefs. Conclusion. Sanitation systems are vital for public health, environmental protection, and sustainable development. The use of appropriate technologies, whether simple pit latrines in rural areas or advanced sewerage systems in urban centers, is key to addressing the global sanitation challenge. Proper design, maintenance, and management of these systems ensure the health and well-being of communities, particularly in developing countries where sanitation infrastructure may be lacking. Follow Archive Daily for more lectures on sanitation systems, architecture, and design insights.